Hi there, I'm Jacqueline from Homeworksetc.ca. I wanted to introduce you to our DIY tiered tray subscription box. It's a monthly subscription box, and this month we're featuring our Easter DIY kit. It comes with 6 wood pieces, all the paint, the brushes, everything you need to complete this project at home. So I've just sorted out my color selection by color, and now I am ready to paint. These vinyl stencils are a one-time use only, so we do want to make sure that we've prepped our pieces and painted them before we start the application process. So dipping in with the foam brush, I always do the edges first. It's just a lot easier because then you can hold your piece without getting a lot of paint all over your hands, although that is inevitable and will happen. So to learn more about our DIY monthly tiered tray subscription box, feel free to click the link below and check out our website.